I'm a practice nurse and my name's Mercedes, and I've been taking smears for quite some time. A smear test is looking for abnormal cells within the cervix. It's a quick and painless procedure that many women have. The age range starts at 25 and finishes at 64. So, for the procedure, we'll ask you to come into a room like this. We will ask you to remove your trousers and your undergarments, and for a dress maybe to just lift it up a little. We will then ask you to lay on a couch like this, and we will give you a privacy towel. We do use a speculum, which we will apply some lubricating gel to help it be more comfortable for you when you're attending. We then take the samples of the cervical cells using this brush. The cells then are placed in this fluid in this pot, and this pot is then sent off to the lab for testing. You'll get your results in 4 to 6 weeks by post. When you are invited to attend for your smear, I strongly recommend that you do attend. It is so important that we pick up the early changes to those cells so we can act on them and stop them developing into cancer in the future. So, book that appointment. It's not as bad as you think.